The advent of advanced robotics and cutting-edge inventions has transformed the landscape of technology in ways that were once the realm of science fiction. As we delve into the new generation of robots and inventions, it becomes clear that these innovations are not just making life easier, but are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From AI-powered robots that can learn and adapt to autonomous machines performing complex tasks, the latest generation of technology is truly astounding. Here's a comprehensive look at some of the most remarkable robots and inventions that are reshaping our world. Number 1. Boston Dynamics Atlas. Boston Dynamics has long been a leader in robotics, and their latest creation, Atlas, stands out as one of the most sophisticated humanoid robots ever built. Atlas is designed to navigate a variety of terrains and perform tasks with remarkable agility and precision. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI, Atlas can walk, run, and even perform gymnastic moves like backflips. What makes Atlas truly astounding is its ability to perform complex maneuvers and adapt to different environments. For instance, in a demonstration, Atlas was shown effortlessly navigating an obstacle course, including jumping over barriers and performing parkour-style moves. This level of agility and adaptability opens up numerous possibilities, from search and rescue missions in challenging environments to performing complex tasks in factories. Number 2. Soft Robotics Soft Grippers. Soft robotics represents a significant departure from traditional rigid robotics. Soft robotics has pioneered the development of soft grippers, which are highly flexible and adaptable robotic hands. These grippers are made from soft materials like silicone and can handle delicate objects with precision, which is a challenge for traditional robotic hands. The soft grippers are designed to mimic the flexibility and dexterity of human hands, making them ideal for applications in agriculture, packaging, and even healthcare. For example, in agriculture, these grippers can gently pick fruits without damaging them, while in healthcare, they can handle delicate medical instruments or assist in surgeries. The adaptability of soft robotics offers a new dimension of interaction with the physical world, enabling robots to perform tasks that require a gentle touch. Number 3. IBM's Watson. IBM's Watson is a prime example of how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries. Watson gained fame for winning the quiz show Jeopardy! Against human champions, but its capabilities extend far beyond that. Watson is an AI platform that uses natural language processing and machine learning to analyze and interpret large volumes of data. In the healthcare sector, Watson is used to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases and recommending treatments based on patient data and medical literature. It can process vast amounts of medical research and case studies to provide insights that would be difficult for humans to achieve. Moreover, Watson's ability to understand and generate human-like text makes it a valuable tool for customer service, marketing, and content creation. Number 4. Boston Dynamics Spot. Another remarkable creation from Boston Dynamics is Spot, a four-legged robot designed for a variety of applications. Spot is built to navigate difficult terrains, making it useful for industries such as construction, mining, and emergency response. Spot's versatility is evident in its ability to carry payloads, inspect hazardous environments, and even perform autonomous patrols. It is equipped with a range of sensors and cameras that allow it to map its surroundings, avoid obstacles, and perform tasks remotely. Spot has been used in a variety of scenarios, from monitoring construction sites to delivering supplies in hospitals during the COVID-19 pandemic. Its adaptability and robustness make it a valuable asset in numerous fields. Number 5. Aibo by Sony. Sony's Aibo is a cutting-edge robotic pet that showcases the intersection of robotics and artificial intelligence. Aibo, which means companion in Japanese, is designed to be an intelligent and interactive robotic dog. It is equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms that enable it to recognize faces, respond to commands, and even exhibit a range of emotions. Aibo's ability to learn and adapt to its environment makes it a unique companion. It can interact with its owner, learn new tricks, and even develop a personalized personality over time. Aibo's design emphasizes the potential for robots to become integral parts of our daily lives, providing companionship and interaction in ways that were previously unimagined. Number 6. Robot-assisted surgery systems. Robot-assisted surgery systems have revolutionized the field of medicine, by allowing surgeons to perform highly precise and minimally invasive procedures. One of the most well-known systems is the Da Vinci surgical system, which provides surgeons with a robotic platform to perform complex surgeries with enhanced dexterity and control. The Da Vinci system features robotic arms that hold and maneuver surgical instruments with incredible precision. Surgeons operate from a console, using advanced imaging and control mechanisms to perform surgeries through small incisions. This technology has led to shorter recovery times, reduced surgical risks, and improved outcomes for patients. The continued development of robot-assisted surgery systems promises to further advance the capabilities of minimally invasive procedures. Number 7. Festo's Bionic Flying Fox. Festo, a company known for its innovative automation technology, has developed the Bionic Flying Fox, a robot designed to mimic the flight of a bat. The Bionic Flying Fox features a unique wing structure that allows it to hover and fly with impressive agility and stability. This robot is designed to study and replicate the complex aerodynamics of bat flight. It has a lightweight frame and flexible wings that enable it to perform maneuvers similar to those of real bats. The Bionic Flying Fox is not only a marvel of engineering, but also a valuable tool for researchers studying animal flight and developing new technologies for aerial robotics. Number 8. Hansen Robotics Sophia. Sophia, developed by Hansen Robotics, is one of the most advanced social robots in existence. Sophia is designed to interact with humans in a natural and intuitive way, using facial expressions, gestures, and natural language processing to engage in conversations. Sophia's ability to exhibit a wide range of facial expressions and respond to questions with contextually relevant answers makes it a powerful tool for applications in customer service, entertainment, and education. Sophia has made appearances on numerous television shows and conferences, demonstrating the potential for robots to serve as effective communicators and companions. Number 9. SpaceX's Starship. While not a robot in the traditional sense, SpaceX's Starship is a groundbreaking invention that represents a significant leap forward in space exploration technology. Starship is designed to be a fully reusable spacecraft capable of carrying humans and cargo to destinations beyond Earth. The development of Starship involves innovative engineering solutions, including the use of advanced materials and propulsion systems. Its reusability is expected to drastically reduce the cost of space travel and enable ambitious missions, such as manned missions to Mars. Starship's design and capabilities highlight the potential for technological advancements to expand human exploration and colonization of space. Number 10. Agility Robotics Cassie. Agility Robotics Cassie is a bipedal robot designed to walk with a natural gait and maintain stability on uneven surfaces. Cassie is unique in that it uses biomimicry to replicate human walking patterns, allowing it to navigate a variety of terrains with remarkable efficiency. Cassie's design includes a pair of specially engineered legs that enable it to walk, run, and balance effectively. This robot is being developed for applications in logistics, delivery, and search and rescue missions. The ability to mimic human locomotion and adapt to different environments makes Cassie a promising advancement in the field of bipedal robotics. Conclusion: the new generation of robots and inventions is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. From humanoid robots with advanced agility to soft robotics that handle delicate objects with care, these innovations are transforming various industries and aspects of daily life. The development of AI-powered platforms like Watson and the advancements in robotic surgery systems highlight the potential for technology to enhance our capabilities and improve outcomes in numerous fields. As we continue to explore and develop new technologies, the possibilities seem endless. The robots and inventions of today are not just marvels of engineering, but are also shaping the future of how we interact with the world. Whether it's through enhanced medical procedures, advanced AI systems, or groundbreaking space exploration technologies, these innovations remind us of the extraordinary potential of human ingenuity and the ever-expanding horizons of technological advancement.